Hey guys, here for another installment from Force 15. So this is the worldwide weather forecast for the 18th of July to the 22nd of July. So Saturday the 18th to Wednesday the 22nd. Next 5 days in the forecast today will be for Alton-Hampshire, Halifax-Canada, Washington D.C.-USA, and Manila in the Philippines. First up, we got Alton. Going into tonight, a little bit of rain expected, but mainly overcast. Going through the night, getting down to around about 12 degrees. Tomorrow, mainly going to be overcast with some heavy rain in the morning, before brightening up with some sunny spells, but more rain expected overnight. On Sunday, highs of 22. Monday, a bit more rain expected, mainly overcast with some sunny spells also expected too, highs of 22. And Tuesday, again overcast with some sunny spells creeping through, highs of 20. Wednesday is going to be mainly overcast also with some sunny spells creeping through as well. Also an indication that the air pressure is starting to drop, which could mean a few more storms possibly on the way. Highs of 20 on Wednesday. And later on, through the next 10 days, mainly set to be quite wet and very windy as well, before things start to brighten up for early August. But we'll have the advanced forecast a little bit later tonight, on what will be happening with that. So now we'll move on to Halifax. Mainly over the next few days, mainly all going to be rain expected, with a few sunny spells here and there, though unlikely that will get much sun because it'll just be quite a few bands of rain just coming in off the Great Lakes, and also coming off of mainland Canada too, with it possibly well, actually the latest observations from Shearwater, Nova Scotia, measured 19 degrees Celsius. Winds were around about 7 miles an hour, humidity 70%, and the pressure was 1,080 millibars falling, which is an indication that storms could be approaching. But we'll see how it goes, and we'll keep you guys posted. Sunday, highs of 19 degrees Celsius. Monday, highs of 21 Celsius. Tuesday, highs of 23, and Wednesday, highs of 25. So I think it's only here but up then from here, guys. On Friday, thunderstorms are expected. By next Friday, we're expecting thunderstorms in Halifax. And also, UV index at the moment is around about 7. That's the European range, 1 to 11 plus. And looking at the data that they have, we're looking at the average minimum temperature in July for Nova Scotia is around about 13 degrees Celsius. Also tied with August, with maximum temperature so around about being 23. And the average precipitation is around about 97 millimeters a month. So and that's all from Halifax. Now moving on to Washington D.C. Most of the week is going to be set to be quite wet and very windy too. Not really much respite from the rain, and also more thunderstorms coming in too. Temperature staying in the mid to high 30s, low, mid and high 30s, dropping below 30 for the latter part of the week before picking up again. And actually August is set to be quite warm for Washington DC, having temperatures averaging around about 32 degrees Celsius. And also just looking at another area, Nashville Tennessee is going to be set to be quite warm as well. Overnight temperatures not getting below 26. But daytime temperatures around about 36 to 37 degrees Celsius. So that's going to be an interesting one for the mid to southern states of America. Should be an interesting one tonight. And now looking at Manila. Currently at the moment I believe it's just about to come to sunrise over Manila. With sunrise is at 5:35 in the morning. It is actually currently 3:26 in the morning. Sunrise is at 5:35, so it will be in around about an hour and a half's time when the sun will start to come up over Manila. They're going to be greeted with some mainly overcast day actually, with some breaks in the cloud going in the later part of that night. 33 degrees is a top temperature. Monday is set to be clear, with some overcast conditions in the latter part of the evening and into Tuesday. Highs of 33. And then Tuesday is mainly going to be overcast again, and highs of 33 degrees Celsius, not much sun getting through. And Wednesday set for some more heavy rain showers and light rain showers, highs of 32 degrees Celsius. And then going into the latter part of the week and start of next week, more rain is set to settle in, and thunderstorms expected as well, with heavy rain, and it's going to be a lot of activity. Thunderstorm wise, looking at quite a lot of activity coming up, and actually possibility that a new invest in the Western Pacific could form soon. So we'll keep an eye on that. And anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is Force 15 signing off.